Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be styling and installing this beautiful wig from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me over, this is a 24-inch highlight wig. So here is the wig. It is a 13 by 4, 24-inch frontal wig. Here's the bottom of the hair. Do y'all see these ends? Like, this hair is nice and thick all the way down to the ends. I believe this is 180 density. I'll have to, everything will be in the description box or on the screen somewhere. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. Parting space. There's the wig. Really excited. I think this hair will look really, really nice curled. Hey guys, so right here I'm basically just pin curling the hair. It really helps with long hair to give it that body and for the curls to set in the curled position, like in a nice tight curl. So anyway, I'm just curling the hair with a flat iron and then pin curling it up and letting all of the curls cool, and then you'll see me take them down.
Got it bumping.
So right here, as I'm brushing the curls out, you can see just how flat and weighed down the curls seem. Like, it doesn't have that body, it doesn't have that flow. So in order to achieve that look, you have to cut some light layers into the hair. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm basically just taking like vertical sections of the hair and just lightly like dusting off hair as I go down the top of the section. Yeah, so just watch. It's better. It's easier to see it than it is for me to explain it. But that's how I was able to get the body and, that bombshell curl look.
Got it bumping.
So right here, you can really see the difference from when I first brushed the hair out. You can see the body, and it just looks so much more complete and not weighed down. That's why the layers are so essential when you want that look. So this video doesn't really have a lot of me installing the hair. I pretty much just sewed in an elastic band and did a glueless install. I did show you all how to sew in an elastic band on my last video, so if you want to see that, go check that out. But I'm just going to show you all how I cut the lace off. I'm doing it in a zigzag motion, and then bam, the wig is ready to wear. Grab about this much hair. I'm gonna spray it with my turn up the heat. Spray it very lightly with a little bit of Got To Be. Use hairspray, don't use this, but I don't feel like going upstairs to get mine. So ideally you would want to flatten the top out first, but my hot comb wasn't hot enough, so I just went ahead and crimped the back. And then right when I was ready to work on the frontal section of hair, I decided to go ahead and flatten that out as much as possible because I wanted to do that before I start the crimps. So I'm just showing you all how I do this, and then I'm going to finish crimping the front of the hair.
Wow, it's not true. Wow, it's not true.
Okay everyone, this is what the crimps look like. So basically you have to do the crimps and then kind of like use a hot comb to flatten the top out, because you know the crimps can look bulky. It can get very, very bulky looking. So you just want to flatten out the top. Try and get it as flat as possible without like straightening out all the crimps. But anyway, this looks this looks great. The crimps look so pretty with the highlights. So once again, this is a glueless install. This lace is like the perfect color for my skin tone. You can just throw it on and go.
Wow, it's not true.
There it is. Okay, y'all, I'm all done with this video. This hair is so soft and so easy to work with. As you can see, it's holding the crimp. It held the curls in the last video. Like, the highlights are just so perfect for my skin tone. This hair is just the bomb. It's thick, but it's not heavy. It's not like, it's still light. It still feels really light and light enough for me to wear it as a glueless unit. So yeah, shout out to Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you all so much for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.